In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping in GoDaddy. To get started, open the GoDaddy website and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for your profile area. This is usually where you can access your account options and the products connected to your GoDaddy account. Click on your profile, then choose My Products to continue. Inside My Products, find the product or website store you want to work on. From there, click DNS. If you see another DNS option or a follow-up DNS page, click that again to move forward as needed. The goal here is to get into the correct management area connected to your site so you can access the store settings. Once you're in the right area, click Store. This will take you to the section where your online store settings and sales-related options are managed. After that, click Settings. In the Settings section, look for Shipping and open it. Now you'll be in the Shipping Setup area. This is where you can select your delivery methods. Take a moment here to choose the option that best fits the way you want to deliver products to your customers. Depending on your store setup, you may see different shipping or delivery choices. Make sure you select the one that matches your business needs, whether that's standard shipping, local delivery, or another available method. After selecting the delivery methods, you can either add new shipping details or edit the existing ones. This is the part where you customize how shipping works for your store. For example, you may want to adjust the name of the shipping method, update pricing, or make changes based on the areas you serve. Be careful when entering these details, because accurate shipping settings help avoid confusion for customers during checkout. Feel free to review everything before saving. It's always a good idea to double-check your shipping information to make sure the delivery methods, rates, and settings are exactly how you want them. Once you're done making changes, click Save. And that's it. Your shipping setup in GoDaddy should now be updated. If needed, you can always come back later and edit these settings again as your store grows or your shipping needs change. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.